So hello my dear student, in this video I will give some insights about the median. Okay, in my next slide, median for individual data. If I have x1, x2, x3 dot xn, suppose this data are given, then how to decide the mean of this data? The first step, to rewrite the data from small to big. Whatever the number of data you can see, so if you can see the data in form, that is small to big or big to small, whatever, it's okay. If not, then you have to rewrite this in terms of small to big. So I prefer small to big. If someone is using big to small, there is no issue. Answer will be same. You can check it. Okay. So first step, to rewrite the data small to big. Second step, if n is odd, n means the number of terms. If the number of terms is odd, then the n plus 1 by 2th term, whatever the result we will get, corresponding term will be the median of the data. Okay, and if the total number of term is even, means in the number of term 4, maybe 7, 6, maybe 10. Okay, so then total number of data is even number. In that situation, first you have to calculate n by 2th data and n by 2 plus 1th data. So first you need to calculate this term and that term. After getting it, the median will be the average of these two data. The average of these two data means you add this term and that term and divide by 2. Whatever the result we will get, that is the median of the corresponding data. Clear? Now I am going to solve one question. Find the median of the following data. Clear? So first you need to check whether all data are in form or not. Form means small to big or big to small. So my choice is small to big. But here you can see 3, 5, 8, 5, 4, 9. So this data are not in form, standard form wise. Then what you do? We rewrite, please write down, we rewrite the data, that is 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9. What is n here? N is equals to 5. Clear? What is the meaning of n? N means number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I have a data n that is odd, here it is odd, correct? So already you know from the rule, if it is odd, then you need to find n plus 1 by 2th data. 2th means n means 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is coming is third term. What is your third term? If I can consider from here 1, 2, 3, that one. So please write down is 5. So please write down, therefore median is equals to 5. Is it clear? First task to rewrite the all data small to big, then find its value. So here why I am considering this process, because here n is equals to 5. So if I have a odd number of data, then you need to calculate n plus 1 by 2. Clear? N plus 1 by 2. Then 5 plus 1 by 2, the 5n is equals to 5 by 2, that is third term is coming. What is your third term? From the starting 1, 2, 3. Third term is 5. So median will be 5. Now, so here I have considered odd number of data. Now I am going to consider in my next slide even number of data. So find the median of the following data. Okay, so first we rewrite. First we rewrite the data. So 2, 4, 6 and 10. Clear? So what is your n? N is equals to 4. That is your even number. Already you know, if I have an even number of data, we need to calculate two terms. So first is n by 2th term. That is your n money 4 by 2. That is your second term. What about your second term? Second term is coming 4. then n by 2 plus 1th term. So it is coming 4 by 2 plus 1th term, that is third term is coming. What about the third term? Third term is 6. First, second, third, 6. What will be the median? Median is equal to average of these two terms. Okay, average of these two terms means 4 plus 6 by 2 is equals to 5 will be the median for this particular problem. Okay, I think it is clear to all of you. If I have even number of data or odd number of data, so this is the process by which you can find the mean. In my last slide, I will give some homework. Please try to check whether your concept is clear or not. So in my next slide, I will discuss the second part, that is median for individual data with frequency. Now I think it is clear. This concept is clear. Now switch to second. So here the topic is median for individual data with frequency. Just here I want to give some process by which we can solve this type with some example directly. So here you can see X data you have and the corresponding frequencies are given. So if I have this type of data, then how to solve it? Listen carefully. Is very simple. First you need to write what is your X you have and corresponding what is your frequency you have. Okay, so first you need to write. So here you have 0, then you have 1, then you have 2, and then 3. So corresponding frequencies are 5, 7, 12, and 2. Okay, so you need to create another column that is very important, that is your CF. CF. What does it mean? CF. CF means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. How to calculate that? If you want to write, please write down. CF stands for cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means total. Now try to understand how to set up this. It's very simple. Now try to understand. It's very easy. Okay, so this number should be here 5, then 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 2, 26. Is it clear? And if I can write here summation f means the total. 7 plus 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 26. And this number and that number must be equal. If it is not, it means some calculation may be wrong. Okay, so basically this result is a cumulative of this. Okay, now your term is to identify n plus 1 by 2. So how much is coming? 26 plus 1 by 2, that is 27 by 2. 27 by 2, if I divide it, how much is coming? It is coming 13.5. Now you need to identify in this value where you can see 13.5. 13.5 is here. N plus 1 by 2 is equals to 13.5. During exam time you need to write. During exam time you need to write. Okay. Then you have to identify the corresponding next value. Corresponding just next to that arrow. Next to value is 24. The corresponding X you identify. What is the corresponding X? Here. Okay. So in that situation you should write the median is equals to, median will be 2. Is it clear? I repeat, first you have to identify what is your summation of f, that is your n. That is your n. Suppose here I have considered n plus 1, 26 is coming from here and cumulative frequency. Suppose you have a question in your mind, sir, if I have the exact data, maybe 12 or 24, same in that situation, if you can see exact data is coming, so no need to check the second one. The corresponding x value will be the median of the given data. Clear? So if your data is similar, anyone is matching 12, 5 or 24, 26, whatever, if it is matching, the corresponding value of x will be the median. And if it is not like this, then you should consider the second number next to that, and the corresponding x will be median value. So in this case, n by 1 plus 2 is coming 13.5, which is lies in between 12 and 24. The next number is 24. The corresponding x is 2. That's why median is equals to 2. The concept is clear? Concept is clear? Okay. So this is all about the individual data with frequency. In my next class slide, I will discuss mean for group data with frequency. Okay, and please remember this information, this one you need to calculate this. Okay, next slide I will discuss group data, median for group data with frequency. Okay, so is it clear? Now switch to the next. So in case of median for group data with frequency, the formula is L plus n by 2 minus cf by f whole into y I. Okay, what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. How to decide the median class, I will discuss with some numerical example, then you can understand clearly. What is N? The total number, total frequency. I is the width of the interval. Whatever the interval you can see, A to B, B to C, the gap will be the I. And F is the frequency of the median class in this case. And CF, cumulative frequency. CF stands for cumulative frequency, but just preceding the median class cumulative frequency. Whatever the median class you will get, the just back to that. Just back to that. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy to solve the problem. Now try to understand with some numerical examples. Now please write down. Clear? The question is find the median of the following data. Okay, so if I have this type of data, so first you need to create the table once again. First you write down your interval or class, whatever you can say. So first you need to write the table, then you write down your frequency, then you write down your cumulative frequency. Okay, okay, now please try to understand. It's very simple. The frequency is here and cf stands for cumulative frequency. Okay, now here it is 2 4 4 6 6 8 and 8 10. The corresponding frequencies are 3 5 4 8. Now you need to calculate summation f, that is 8 8 8 16 plus 4 20, which is here is equals to n. The first cumulative you have to decide, already you know that from the previous calculation. 3 should be here, 3 plus 5 it is coming 8, 8 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 8 is coming 20. Already you know this number, that number must be equal. In case of group data with frequency, you need to calculate your n by 2. N by 2, already n means summation of frequency, n by 2 means 20 by 2 is coming 10. So here 10 is lies between here. N by 2 is coming 10. That means here. Okay. So now you need to consider next number. Next, just next to that. The corresponding interval or corresponding this, if you consult different types of writer books, someone can write class or interval, whatever. Process name is, meaning is same. So here you have to decide this interval or class, that is your just next to n by 2, where you can see the next number will be this corresponding x interval will be the class median interval. Median interval. So what is our formula? Our formula is median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I. So now you try to understand what is your L. L is equals to lower limit of the median class, that is 6. What is your I? I is the interval length, that is your 2. Now, what is your F? F is equals to corresponding frequency of the median class, that will be 4 here. And what is the CF? That is cumulative frequency preceding of the cumulative frequency, that is the cumulative preceding of the median class cumulative frequency. The preceding median class frequency is this, that is a back to that means 8. So in this case it will be 8. I think it is clear. I repeat once again. First you have to identify n by 2. What is your n by 2? N is roller frequency divided by 2 is coming 10 in this problem. Then it is lies between 8 and 12. Then you consider the next number. So corresponding interval with the median interval. So L is the lower limit of that. And the F is equals to frequency of the median class, that is your 4. And what about the length of this interval, that is your 2, that is your I. And one is left, that is CF. CF means whatever the indication you have just before to that, what value is coming, in this case 8. That's why your CF will be 8. Now you substitute one by one, you will get your answer. L is equals to 6 is coming 6 plus n by 2 is coming 10 minus CF is 8 by corresponding frequency 4 into 2. Is it clear? So ultimately it is coming 6. 2 divided by 2 is 2 by 4 into 2, that is coming 1. Ultimately 7 is the answer. Please check. Please check. Your median will be 7. Is it clear to all of you? Process clear? Very simple. Just gradually follow the step and you will get your answer. In my next slide, I'll give some numerical homework. So please try to solve, and you, in comment box you write down your answer. I'm waiting for your response. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the next slide. That is the question slide. The concept is clear. The concept is clear. Now switch to the next slide. So here I have considered 3 types of problem from median. Find the median of the individual data. Find the median of the individual data with frequency, and find the median of group data with frequency. So here I have given only one solution. Okay, right now I don't have any solution of this. Please do solve, and in comment box please write your answers. Okay, then definitely I will give the reply whether it is correct or wrong. So please do practice, and please share the information about this video so that your next friend can get this opportunity to clear his or her doubts. Okay, those who are new, please do subscribe my channel. So your one subscription means a lot to me because it gives me motivation. Okay, thank you everyone. Please do share this video with your friend. Thank you.